So we've been utilising BIM since the late 90s, in fact. So from a design consultant point of view, from structural engineering right through to the present day. Yeah, so we're currently building New Zealand's first fully off-site manufactured home. So with that comes some challenges. BIM's able to provide solutions to be able to achieve that. So BIM for us is critical. It allows us to plan well in advance of tasks of what we're doing. It allows us to sequence tasks in a manner that's safe. We have limited space, even though it's a large facility, but we have limited space and lay down areas for things. So it allows us to plan our workload, look at what those risks are, mitigate those, or even isolate them if we really have to. When it comes time to transporting these homes, because it's new to the industry, everyone thinks, well, no, we can't, how do we do that? We don't want to take the responsibility for it. So we've utilised the BIM process to look at how do we safely deliver these homes? How do we pack them into containers? And initially, when we were looking at open-top containers, we thought that was the solution to do it. But from a health and safety point of view, we're having to lift these modules, 3.5 metres over into the top of the container. And for us, it's a risk that we're not prepared to take. So that led us to developing our own stillages, which we load at ground level, and then we can pull them apart, and then we're still at ground level on site. So for us, it's all about mitigating that risk. So from a health and safety point of view, working at scaffolding, obviously when you're outside in the weather, that's a risk. We've got the elements that we have to deal with. We've got slip, trips and falls, open trenches, all these things that happen in the factory. Nice clean floor, safe and tidy. We can finish one task, move on to the next thing.